it's Pam, and guess where I am today? The Dollar Tree store. So I thought I'd go in and check out what kind of school supplies they have this year. Okay, so the first thing I found was a huge selection of 3-ring zipper cases. Just look at all the different styles and colors. I really love these glitter ones. They also have whimsical patterns as well as classic colors to choose from. The 3 rings allow you to clip them easily into any binder. You could buy one case to hold all of your writing needs, or you could get a different case for each subject in school. The choice is up to you. I absolutely love these magnetic holders because you can stick them to the side of your locker. They come in 3 fun colors and will help keep all your extra pens and pencils or personal accessories neatly organized. Oh look, they even have a mirror for your locker with a magnet on the back. That would be something convenient to have on hand. These 3D pencil cases are so cool. Check out this outer space one. This yummy food one is really cute too. They even have a dinosaur one. This plastic crayon box could help younger children keep their crayons safe and free from breaks. For your college students, the Dollar Tree has them covered when it comes to hangers for their clothes. You get 7 of these hangers for only $1. They're pretty sturdy, and they come with these grooves on the top to make sure the clothes won't slide off the hanger. They also come in a wide variety of colors to choose from. Your college student can also use these baskets for their laundry at school, or if space is tight, they can use these mesh bags for their laundry. They come in 3 fun colors to choose from. I absolutely love these magnetic tins. They're great space savers at college when you need to store small items. They stick to any metal surface and you can fill them with small office supplies near your desk or small personal items in the bathroom. These doorknob wall shields are a must at college when talking about security and damage deposits. Don't let a hole in the drywall in your dorm or apartment cost you a fortune. $1 at the Dollar Tree can save you from losing your deposit. While we're on the subject of security and damage deposits, these felt pads are great to put on the bottom of appliances that could scratch the laminate on countertops at school. You can get a package of 27 assorted shapes or 60 circular pads, whichever best suits your needs. And finally, let's talk Post-it notes. The Dollar Tree has the name brand Post-its, as well as many others to choose from. These are essentials for all students. I absolutely love these colorful pointer ones. These smaller ones are great for if you need to flag pages in a book. Here are more colorful ones. And they have lined Post-its too. These larger ones are great for leaving reminder notes to yourself. Okay, so as you can see, the dollar store once again has a lot of great organizing supplies for back to school. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big old thumbs up, poke that like button below, and while you're at it, if you haven't already, go ahead and poke the subscribe button as well, and ring the bell so you know when I'm uploading new videos. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ 911. Catch you next time. This video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.